Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are students from Faculty of Engineering, School of Civil Engineering. We are from Group K1T5. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Iqbal.
Hi, my name is Rabiatul Adawiyah.
Hi, my name is K1T5.
Hi, I'm Aida.
Hi, I'm Rizal Zahri. Today we are going to introduce about civil engineering. Civil engineering is a professional engineering that deals with design, construction, and maintenance of the physical, naturally built environment.
Do you know that there are 4 main subfields in civil engineering, which includes environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, and transportation engineering?
Oh, what is environmental engineering?
Environmental engineering uses the principle of engineering, so science, biology, and chemistry to develop solutions to environmental problems. But do you guys know what is geotechnical engineering?
I know, I learned about it last night. Geotechnical engineering is the branch of civil engineering concerned with the engineering behavior of Earth's materials.
So what about structural engineering? Is it about building and construction?
It's not just about building and construction. Structural engineering also focuses on the framework of the structures and on designing the structures so that it can withstand stress and pressures of their environment. It also helps the structures remain safe and secure.
Wait, don't you want to know about transportation engineering? This is quite interesting. Transportation engineering focuses on designing new transportation systems and infrastructure, including highway, airport, trains, and bridge. Hey guys, are you okay? How did you fare? Let me help you.
Look at this path. There are holes everywhere.
Yeah, it's right. That's why he fell. I think we need to do something about this.
Hey, what's wrong with you guys?
We just fell from one of the uncovered drains. Right there.
Oh really? You fell? I feel sorry for you. I think there are a lot of road problem faces in UTM. For example, along the pathways, the drain is not covered, and during peak hours, cars are so many, so we cannot cross the road, right?
That's right. It's hard for us to cross the road during the morning class. So what do you guys think we can do to overcome the problem?
My idea is UTM should apply for signalized pedestrian crossing because the camera can sense the presence of students.
But why we don't use the push button traffic light? What the difference between the signalized one?
We use signalized instead of using push button traffic light because it is not efficient enough. Students will need to wait for the traffic light to turn into green before crossing the road. Therefore, students will be late every morning.
I agree with your point, Syam. To add to that, UTM should also add mini pedestrian bridges so that the student can cross the road safely. And most importantly, they should also repair the uncovered drain.
We should share this issue in UTM convention. Hopefully, they will notice our cry.
Look at this water. It is so dirty.
Oh my god, I think you can use the other pipe near the mini-mart.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
The quality of water here is so bad. It's totally different with my home.
What's the difference? It is from the same source, right?
Yeah, it's from the same source. However, the supply of water in my hometown is from Pedus Dam through the Padang Turak River and Mada Channel. Bukit Pinang Water Treatment Plant provide high quality and reliable wholesome water to the local community.
Water crisis is a huge problem faced by the government and the civilians who are not provided with a good quality of water supply.
Yeah, that's right. Did you know in Kedah, the water cycle has been privatised since January 2010 to ensure an efficient water supply management system?
Other than that, the quality of water at my home is a lot better because we use water filter.
Yeah, you're right. My home use water filter too.
But I never use water filter at my house. I usually boil the water before drinking. Why do you guys use the water filter at your house?
Water filter can provide better tasting and better smelling water drinking by removing chemical and bacterial contaminants, thus preventing this harmful substance from entering the body.
So how about wastewater? What happens after it's been used?
Usually, it is managed by Indah Water. Every drain is connected to a part that moves used water from your house to a sewer. Every hose part that then connects to another large part which collect water from other street. The system continues until the water finally makes it to the wastewater treatment plant.
Did you guys know that there are companies that manage wastewater? For example, in my hometown, Idaman Sidem Berhad, we will collect every Monday and Tuesday.
Oh yeah, right. They will recycle the waste, right? I heard that they do it every first week and third week of every month.
Yes, you're right.
Hey guys, have you heard about the collapsed stadium in 2013?
No, what stadium?
Is it Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin Stadium?
Yes, the incident happened because the contractor did not follow the specific requirement of the building. Do you guys remember about one assignment that we did last month, where we calculate the load distribution of the building?
Oh yes, we did the assignment for M47, right, Syakir?
Oh yeah. I remember that we need to calculate the total weight of the building. First, which is the roof, wall, slab, and also the beam and column.
Why do we need to calculate the total weight of the building?
Oh, all the values were used to calculate load distribution. Total weight of the building must be less than maximum load that the beam and columns are carried. This is why all the calculation is important to avoid any accident.
I don't understand. How can we calculate the total weight of the building? It seems impossible to me.
No lah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. For example, we need to calculate the volume of the slab and then we need to multiply it with the self-weight of concrete and then settle.
Hello? Yeah, it's me. What? Oh, about the coastal erosion at the beach? Oh.
2,000 years later.
Hey Shao, who are you calling? Your girlfriend eh?
No. It's my father lah. He is a fisherman from Kelantan. There is a little bit problem at home.
Is there anything wrong?
Actually, my father cannot go fishing lately because there is a large amount volume of sediment deposited at the river mouth of Sungai Kelantan due to the seasonal flood. It blocked the pathway for the fisherman's boat.
Oh, I've heard about this problem. There's an ongoing project that involves dredging to allow access for boats in Sungai Kelantan.
Oh wow, I am amazed that there is such project. Oh, by the way, I heard that there is another problem that is occurring in Sungai Kelantan, which is coastal erosion. Is that true?
Yeah, that's true. I heard it too. Ocean wave cause the coastline to erode. The sheer energy and force of the wave causes pieces of rock and coastline to break off, changing the coastline over time.
As a civil student, we already learned that we can overcome the coastal erosion by building a revetment at the coastline. So, revetment is also known as retaining wall.
This thing looks complicated. How did they do it actually?
The dredging and revetment process is not as complicated as we think. Dredging areas were split into a few of cross-section areas to make the calculation become easier. By calculating the average height of the sea level, we can determine the volume of the cross-section areas. The sum of total volume cross-section areas are equal to the volume of dredging areas.
Oh, what is the formula to calculate the volume of dredging area?
The volume is calculated by dividing the area with total number of edge. After that, the value need to be multiplied by sum of height of each edge.
For the rebatment, we need to draw the grid for the layout on the survey area. And then we need to divide the area into simpler shape. We need to check the depth of each edge of the cut area measured from water level. Calculate average height of each shape. Total up the volume of the shapes. The formula of volume for one square grid is area divided with the total number of edge. The value must be multiplied with the sum of height of each edge. Next, for the slope, assume average of height from water level. Determine the height of soil by adding 5 into the value of height from water level. Calculate the base of the slope by using the ratio given, which is 1 to 2. Next, we calculate volume of soil under the slope. Total up the volume of field which can be obtained from the slope and the shapes, and then we total up the area of the reclaimed land.
I see. That is a good explanation. I hope this problem will be solved soon. From the 4 assignments given, we learned about the importance of load distribution for building, ways to overcome road problems in UTM, ways to overcome coastal erosion, and the process of water management in our housing area. To conclude, the subject helped us understand more about the basics of civil engineering. We can now explain all the major subfields in civil engineering profession and demonstrate basic analysis in subfield specific civil engineering problem. That's all from us. Thank you.